Red light. Okay.
Hey YouTube, so this is me and my buddy Devin. We're going out for the first time for him riding a dirt bike in I think 20 some odd years, and so I got two dirt bikes and lent him one, and this is his first ride on Eagle Mountain, so it's really quite you know, easy riding, but perfect place to get into you know, riding again and get warmed up. And let's see how he does.
Fucking beauty.
Hey, what do you think?
Nice.
Excellent.
Yeah. No, all good. Good pace.
Yeah, okay, I was going to ask.
Yeah.
I don't know if I was going too fast, but...
no, it's good. I trailed behind you a couple little times just to make it like kind of over some lumpy stuff.
Okay,
and
good.
Other than that, it was good.
But yeah, if it's too fast, just slow down.
Yeah.
I'll just back up again. It's going to be fun.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to do this no problem.
Uh-huh. Sure, for me. Okay.
So I've noticed here reviewing the video that Devin's really paying a lot of attention to his riding. He is really taking it easy. He's not doing anything stupid, and I think it's because he's got that voice of Sharon in the back of his head saying, "Don't do anything stupid," and it really shows. He is really smooth. It's fantastic. Great, great riding. Really nice and smooth, especially after 20 some odd years of not riding dirt bikes. Great job. Oh, look at the idiot. Oh, brutal. What a dummy.
There's Gary showing off again.
We're going up that way.
Okay. When you're good, y'all. Everything together?
All right.
Okay. Something's running.
You're good. Yeah.
Okay.
So these are two trails where these are two other areas where these guys go that way.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And that way. Yeah, it's like crazy. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
other trail access. So Devin doesn't know what's coming up here, but this is a tricky little situation. We're riding next to the compressor station, and on the left there's a fence that's a bit tricky because your handlebar can get clipped on it, and you can lose control. And if you do, you can fall over to the right into that ravine. And so you really got to keep focused, and by watching this video with Devin's point of view, I think he's doing really great. He's definitely concentrating, because I don't think he wants to go over. That's a tight fit. It's about time Devin fell. I've been waiting for this. Great. Fantastic job.
Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah, just whoop, off we go. Okay.
The camera does not do justice how steep some of these areas are. Just getting over that, you'd think by looking at the camera or the video footage that yeah, no problem, but it's actually really quite steep, especially for somebody who hasn't you know, been on a dirt bike for a while, so it's quite understandable.
Fuck. Whew.
This is a nice little section between the compressor station and the golf course it's the Westwood golf course. So at the end of this trail, we'll dump right into the Westwood golf course, and from there we're going to take another trail altogether. But this one is really nice. It's pretty easy, but really nice to travel. Well, I'm pretty impressed Devin got up that little section without falling or slipping. He's doing really well.
Yeah, baby.
Fantastic. That's great.
Nice. Whew.
So we can swing around here a little bit.
Yeah.
This is a nice little play area. A lot of great places here where you can practice, you know, your dirt bike riding technique. You know, if you can get through this, you can pretty much do anything, because the slower you go, the harder it is. So this is a great practice.
Sweet.
So you didn't fall on that?
Nope.
That's great.
Nope.
So this is a little bit the kind of terrain you'd expect at McNutt to be really foresty, tight.
Yeah, tight, lumpy.
Although these trails are not defined. At McNutt, everything is just defined. But it's this kind of stuff, rocky, muddy, roots, just a lot tighter, that's all.
Gotta work on the cardio.
Yeah, I don't know about you, but I get a good workout just because it's all those, you can't do this fast.
Yep.
Can you imagine trying to do this fast?
It's, I like, if you've done it before and you got it memorized.
Well, sure.
But not just going blind, right?
No,
Forget
no.
it. Yeah, no.
No, you're not.
You'll end up in a tree or...
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You know, very quickly you get launched off of one side or the other. So, and the slower you take it, the more cardio you get to. You're putting in more work, right?
Yep.
And that's not a bad thing. It's what I, you know, that's how I get my exercise really. I slow her down. And when I do slow her down, I can concentrate more on technique. At least I try. But I'll fall. I'll fall plenty doing this kind of crap, or lose my balance or whatever. But you know, sometimes I just come up here and I'll spend an hour just doing this kind of shit. It's like I've been to the gym twice. Just doing this.
No doubt. Oh, I believe it. Yeah, I got a good heart rate going through there, and just trying not to dump it, right? And concentrating on where you're going.
So this is a nice little section on this side of the
Sweet.
line, and when it's muddy, it's a friggin' disaster. But I've gone up this when it's been completely friggin' muddy and water coming down. And this is where I've launched myself into the friggin' ravine with the bike, you know, just 10 feet over.
No shit.
Friggin' nightmare to try to get out of it. But, it could be much more manageable now with, you know, with the weather being the way it is. But, so this is a little more fun than taking the gravel road.
Awesome.
So we'll give this a shot.
Okay, buddy. Okay, good. not where I wanted to go.
Did you see that sign up there? No motorized vehicles back here?
No, I didn't.
A big sign right on the bricks. I saw some guys get their bikes confiscated.
Oh! Okay, well,
You know.
I've never been here before. I'm following him. I'll let him know. Thanks.
Suck it.
So this is Devin's first time at Eagle Mountain, and I'm really amazed at how well he's been doing, especially this steep little technical terrain right here. Camera can't do it justice, but it's really steep. It's just the last section. When you're at the bottom, you just look straight up at this, and he's chugging along real nicely. You know, just nice control, fantastic.
So I stopped there, right? And I thanked him for getting out of the way. He says, "Did you see the sign down there? There's no motorized vehicles allowed up here." I said, "Well, there's lots of bikes here. I'm just following him, man." So anyway, I told him I'd let you know. Yeah, he said he's heard guys getting their bikes confiscated.
Oh, good.
So just so you're aware of it, but yeah.
Well, you know, people have been coming here for years.
Yeah.
Riding the bike, so I didn't see the sign.
Me neither. Yeah, no. I'm sure we would have.
Yeah, if it was
maybe
clear.
he came from a different way.
Oh, could be, yeah.
Yeah. So.
But I didn't see a sign that was clearly posted.
Yeah.
So, no matter what.
Yeah. Rest time.
Nice steep climb up, and I'd be taking it a little quicker just so that you don't stall or fall, but Devin's doing great here. He's just crawling up. Fantastic job.
Wait. On camera? Okay. Finishing up the day. That was awesome. That was fucking awesome. Yeah.
Great first ride. Can't wait to do it again. That was awesome, Devin.
Should I stop recording now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Fantastic.